For every seafarer, family is the anchor that keeps life steady. The European Union understands this, and that's why seafarers working under EU social security systems receive family benefits. These include maternity and paternity leave, child allowances, and financial support that help you provide for your loved ones back home. When a child is born, EU law guarantees maternity and paternity leave. Mothers receive paid time off before and after childbirth to recover and bond with the baby. Fathers are entitled to take paternity leave so they can be present during the most important early days of their child's life. This means seafarers don't have to choose between earning at sea and being there for their family. Across the EU, parents receive child allowances, monthly payments that help cover the costs of raising children. For seafarers, this is especially important. Even if you are working in Greece or Italy while your family lives in another EU country, these allowances still apply. Your children are recognized no matter where they live in the Union. The EU has clear rules. If you work in one country but your family lives in another, your contributions ensure your family still receives benefits. For example, a Romanian seafarer working in Greece can still claim child allowances for children living back home. An Italian contract will still support your family if they reside in another EU member state. Your rights are portable, just like your pension and healthcare. Seafaring often means long months away, but family benefits reduce the financial burden. They make sure your children are supported with food, schooling, and healthcare, even when you're at sea. It's a system designed to keep families stable, so that when you return home you can focus on love and connection, not financial stress. EU family benefits recognize the sacrifices seafarers make and ensure their families are never left behind. At sea, you provide for the world. In the EU, the system provides for your family.